It's here. The brand new Google Pixel 9, Google's latest flagship that promises smarter AI, better photos, and a design refresh. But is it really worth the hype, or just another iterative update? Let's start with the design. The Pixel 9 is slimmer, more refined, and finally gets rid of the chunky camera bar. Well, almost. It's now a sleeker horizontal pill that blends more smoothly into the back glass. And yes, it still has IP68 water resistance, Gorilla Glass Victus 3, and comes in some bold new colors. Up front, you're looking at a 6.2-inch LTPO OLED display with adaptive refresh from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The brightness? A massive 2600 nits peak. You can actually see this thing in direct sunlight now. Pixel 9 phones are powered by new custom silicon, Tensor G4. It's the most efficient chip yet of Google Pixel and was designed to improve everyday use cases, like opening apps more quickly or browsing the web. Here's where it gets wild. Google is going all in on AI. The Pixel 9 comes with onboard Gemini Nano, so things like Live Translate, Summarize, and Smart Replies work offline. Magic Editor is back, and now you can remove, reposition, or resize objects with a single tap. They've also added AI video enhancement, which auto-fixes lighting and stabilization. Pixel UI stays buttery smooth, and Android 15 here feels more polished than ever. Plus, 7 years of OS and security updates, huge win for longevity. Battery life is solid, around 6 to 7 hours of screen on time with adaptive refresh. And with 30 watts wired plus wireless charging, you'll top up quick. Oh, and it's IP68 rated, supports eSIM plus physical SIM, and yes, Face Unlock is way faster this year. The newest Pixel 9 devices are the first Android phones to include new satellite SOS, so you can contact emergency responders via satellite and share your location, even without cellular service. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Pixel, or are you holding out for the Pixel 9 Pro? Hit that like button if you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.